Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a notification bell that's beside that button, and all you do is press it, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email, just one, that will notify you that I just uploaded a brand new video. I think it's a great idea. I use it all the time for people that I follow for two reasons. One, I like having something fun waiting for me in my inbox, as well as when you get it in your emails, all you do is you see the picture and the title. And if it's something that you want to watch right away, you simply press on it and it brings you directly to the YouTube video. So it's a great little shortcut and I love telling you guys about it. Today is that day that we do a giveaway. This is a duplicate item that was in my Boxy Premium for the month of January 2020. I get 2 premium boxes and I choose to have different choices in each one, but sometimes we get some duplicate items in those premium boxes, and we have been using them to do these type of giveaways and share it with you guys. So we've only been doing it for, I think, a month or so, and it's been great, and we're enjoying doing it, and you guys are enjoying it as well, so we're going to continue to do it this way. So this one today is on the Farsali. This is the Liquid Glass Radiance Serum with hyaluronic acid. It is 1 fluid ounces. It has a $54 value, if my memory serves me correctly. It's going to come in the retail box that you have here. I'm not going to open up this one because this is the one that you guys are getting. This is what the bottle looks like. It is scrumptious. I cannot believe how delicious this is. So I'm really excited for somebody to win this. And how we do our giveaways are really simple. You just simply have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You've got to make sure that your account is public. What I mean by that is you've got to check in your settings that your account says it is public. When we all set up our accounts on YouTube, YouTube automatically sets our accounts to private. It is up to us to make them public. Why is that important? It's important because a creator cannot see that you are actually supporting their channel. And I want to make sure whoever is going to be picked for this or any of my giveaways, it's someone that is supporting the channels. So that's the first thing, is it's got to be public. The second is we want you to follow on True Wants with the number 2 on Instagram. In the comments below, I need you to leave your Instagram name under the comments that you're interested in being put in for the Farsali giveaway with your Instagram name, because not only will I contact you via this video when we do choose the winner, I also will be contacting you through direct message because we're going to be sharing a lot of personal information. This again is only open to US residents, or if you have a US address that we can ship to. Otherwise, it's that simple. So everything that I'm saying will be written down in the description box to make sure that if I didn't say something, it will definitely be in the description box, as well as the date that we will be pulling the winner. All right, so once again, very excited to share this with you guys, and thank you so much for all of the comments that you have been leaving and keeping that communication open. It has been really, really a pleasure, and good luck to everybody. Thank you for finding me. Thank you for spending some time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.